Charles Robert Watts is an English drummer, best known as a member of the Rolling Stones since 1963. Originally trained as a graphic artist, he started playing drums in London's rhythm and blues clubs, where he met Brian Jones, Mick Jagger, and Keith Richards. In January 1963, he joined their fledgling group, the Rolling Stones, as drummer, while doubling as designer of their record sleeves and tour stages. Watts cites jazz as a major influence on his drumming style. He has toured with his own group, the Charlie Watts Quintet, and appeared in London at Ronnie Scott's Jazz Club with the Charlie Watts Tentet. In 2006, Watts was elected into the Modern Drummer Hall of Fame. In the same year, Vanity Fair elected him into the International Best Dressed List Hall of Fame. In the estimation of noted music critic Robert Christgau, Watts is rock's greatest drummer. In 2016, he was ranked 12th on Rolling Stone's 100 Greatest Drummers of All Time list. Charles Robert Charlie Watts was born to Charles Richard Watts, a lorry driver for the London Midland and Scottish Railway, and his wife Lillian Charlotte, at University College Hospital, London, and raised in Kingsbury. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.